Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob. This is an unboxing and review of Bunker Industries reinforced
metal grips recovery boards.
along with replaceable teeth. I've included the product links in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. All right, let's get right into it.
These Gen 11 metal grips recovery boards come with aluminum grip plates for better bite and strong long-term use. Also included is a sturdy case, leash straps for easy retrieval, and 2 colors of replaceable center teeth with the tool for torquing down. These boards can be purchased on Amazon for $200, and I've included the link for them in the description below. This traction board kit is the ultimate kit for the extreme off-roader who uses their traction boards often. With reinforced aluminum plate grips on each end of the board, creating the best gripping surface where most wear and tear happens. Paired with replaceable teeth in case too much wheel spin has worn down the teeth, can be replaced as needed for the ultimate grip. Compared to the Gen 9 linkable traction boards, you can see these Gen 11 metal grips are considerably larger for more traction surface and an integrated jack pad for jacking on those loose, sandy surfaces and can withstand 25 tons. They also won't interlock due to the different designs.
We're out at the Glamis sand dunes today in Southern California, and we're gonna test out our new Bunker Industries Metal Series recovery boards and see if we can get stuck and see how well they work for getting our truck out. All right, let's do it.
For this test, we stayed aired up at 40 psi to ensure that we actually got stuck. We were in 2-wheel drive, but I eventually switched over to 4-wheel drive, and we were stuck for sure in this spot.
You could tell when it kicked in and grabbed and started to really climb out. I mean, just using 2 boards, it's all we needed. And this is really, really deep sand.
The interlocking diamond array provides the ultimate traction and flexibility to get out of almost any situation. These tracks are made of automotive-grade polypropylene, offers superior UV aging resistance and extreme temperature ranges. These tracks are 48 inches long and 14 inches wide and only weigh 22 pounds per pair. So overall, I highly recommend the Bunker Industries Metal Series recovery boards. They're simply awesome. Having these metal grips on here allows them to bite with the tire and climb up and out of obstacles much easier than any other recovery board. Also, this way you're not spinning your tires and melting the nubbies on there like a lot of other recovery boards. But in the event that you do melt down some, these are replaceable. They come with black and red with this set. On top of that, the great thing about these boards is they are longer and wider. So these are really good for 12.5-inch wide tires like we have on this truck. And if you need that longer recovery surface to help climb up and out of an obstacle. And we actually did break one off here, but I'll be able to simply replace that when we get home. But too, the great thing about these recovery boards is this flat surface right here in the middle. That way you can use it to change a tire on sand. That way you can place this down and disperse your load over any kind of soft
sand or dirt or mud. That way you can jack your tire up, change it, or if you need to simply use a high lift or something else to get yourself out of a deep hole, this is really easy to just chuck down and be able to use. Now, no other recovery boards integrate this, like Bunker Industries, even Max Tracks doesn't capture this as well, and they don't get nice metal ends like these metal series metal grips.
I've included the link for these recovery boards in the description below, so make sure to click on those to check them out. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.